Okay, so
we're lost.
We're lost. We're lost. So all you do is you...
What? Why are we in North Carolina?
I am so happy.
Beautiful.
I am so happy you're here with me. We are in the clouds. Ain't that right, love?
Yeah, this is insane. I want you guys to see my face when we hit these curves as a non-rider.
It's just breathtaking. Holy smokes, dude. Ouch! We are here in Knoxville, and my beautiful wife joined us for this trip. Where are we? We're in Knoxville. We're going to hang out for a little bit at the Smoky Mountains Rally, and then we're going to head over to White House to go hang out with the guys over at Thundermax. The first step is to get this bike down. I know, if it looks a little weird. I have a full video on that. So all you do is you let this bike do its thing, or this lift, and the bike comes on down. So now we got it down. There's a few pins you have to undo and redo, but again, go check out my videos on this whole process. I've done this several times, but the first time on my brand new painted CVO here, and this is definitely a one-man show. So if you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and look at it. But I mean, once you got it down, you got it down. Once we got the bike down, my wife and I headed over to the Tail of the Dragon. This time was really special for me because it was the first time I had ever ridden two up, and it was the first time my wife went. We had to pull over here in the middle of this curve here because we are in the clouds. Ain't that right, love?
Yeah, this is insane.
It look like, I'm just gonna turn the camera around.
This is
I mean, look, we are in the mist in the clouds.
That's crazy.
Have you ever experienced anything like this?
No. It's
beautiful.
Crazy. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. And I think we hit the road very early because so far we haven't seen any motorcyclists.
Where are we? The tail of
Well, so here's the deal, guys. I put the map for Tail of the Dragon, but when we're staying in Alcoa, Maryville, Knoxville, it took me this area here. I've never been down this road before. I've been here several times. And it's beautiful. I mean, it's just, I mean, look at the leaves, man. They're, you know, since it's fall, the leaves are, the color of the leaves are changing. But on the way here, we saw beautiful back roads and curves and very tight ones. I had to go in first gear. I haven't even taken this bad boy out of third gear, to be honest. Oh my goodness, just look at this beauty. There's more beauty to be seen, but man, I kind of want to take the drone out, but I'll take the drone out probably at the next stop here. And man, like we're slanted here. We're, I don't know, 30 grade. Oh, you see the mist kind of coming right here?
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
I really hope it comes out. After 5 minutes, we realized we were lost. Okay, so
we're lost.
We're lost. We're lost. I think we got to go straight, but we're trying to get my phone connected to the satellite, and it's telling us to turn around. It's asking for a clear view from the sky, and
that's not an option.
That is not an option. So
we're also in the mountains.
Yeah. And I don't know.
Cloudy.
Yeah, it is cloudy. Now it's beautiful riding, but but we're lost. We're lost. So
it's a sat phone when you need one.
Oh, sat phone, sat something. So
sat phone work even if there's clouds?
Yeah. Well, we're gonna continue on. We'll eventually find a good Samaritan, and we'll keep it going. As long as we got health and we don't get too hungry, we're good.
I have a protein bar in my purse.
Protein bar in your purse.
And I have water. Do you want water?
No. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going.
Water in my...
Yo, these back roads are curvy, ain't they?
Yeah, they're terrifying.
Man, all right. We're trying to find our way back, and look at this beautiful lake here that we found. I mean, it is just stunning, man. With the mountains in the background. I mean, look at this. I'm guessing we're coming. I think this is the main road for Tail of the Dragon. Let me see. Yeah, I think it is. Here we take a left. So we're not lost anymore. As I mentioned before, I've been to the Tail of the Dragon many times, but it's the first time that my beautiful wife is with us, and I wanted her to see this beautiful lake. For all of you guys that have been here, you guys know which lake this is. It's just breathtaking. I'm just so lucky to be able to share it with my wife on this trip. I mean, it's just stunning, dude. Stunning. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So we saw some bikers, some adventure group of guys, and now I think we got some bikers coming behind us. So now we have been, we found our navigation through just doing it. Oh my Lord, this is beautiful, 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 beautiful. Looks like we're coming across a car show here. Nice. Hey guys, we had to stop. What do you think, love?
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. My visor has to stay open because every time I close it, I'm breathing heavy and it's fogging up. So my eyes are all red and watery.
I am so happy.
Oh,
I am so happy you're here with me.
I'm also happy that I'm seeing bikers because I'm not going to die on some road without anybody knowing where we are.
And find us a week later, but this is what we're looking at. So as we stay here and hug each other and take this moment in, this is our view right here. I mean, just the stillness of the water. This is the view here. But you know what, guys? We're going to make it better for you guys. I'm going to take out the drone. So, yeah, I'm going to take out the drone, baby. Look at this.
Like I'm not with you.
So we're starting off here at the tail of the dragon, and it's my beautiful wife's first time. As my wife and I rode through the 318 tight curves next to the Great Smoky Mountains, I have to admit that this was probably the best time I've ever had on a motorcycle, simply because I was enjoying this with my best friend and my beautiful wife. Now, let's enjoy the beautiful scenery.
Hey guys, it's hard to film when you're scared, but he asked me to film. I think he forgot I was mic'd up. Alright, I want you guys to see my face when we hit these curves as a non-rider. So I feel like you'll find this entertaining. Oh, there's a lot of photo booths. I'm trying to get all y'all money. I'm terrified, bro. Why are we in North Carolina? I have so many questions and comments about the tail of the dragon.
And we have made it, love. We have made it here to Tail of the Dragon. HQ, as I like to call it. We're a little early here, but you can see there's already people here. And we're gonna go in here and grab some food. What do you think?
It was terrible.
It was terrible?
Yeah. My whole body is tight and tense. I don't know why y'all like this.
The curves?
No adrenaline rush. Tight, tense. My whole left side is numb. So happy that we're not moving.
Moving here?
No, like
moving.
moving.
We're about to go eat, but I had to show you guys that the 153 All-American painted by Jace cubic inch motor is here at Tail of the Dragon. So we got some burgers. What'd you get the other day?
Oh, roast beef sandwich with cheese.
Okay.
I got the cheese on top.
So they have a deli here, or a restaurant area here, so you can stack, and over there is a gift shop. But we're just talking about her experience, and I think it was pretty. She says she got a little workout on.
I got a big workout. I was like squeezing everything for dear life. I was terrified.
We're heading to Smoky Mountains, Harley-Davidson now.
Yes.
Are you excited for the ride back?
No. Absolutely not. This is going to be. It's 11 miles. I can make it. I can do it.
Come on, guys.
Things I do for you, being
Go
your
ahead.
wife. So I definitely. Okay. All right. Sucking it up.
You're on.
Yeah. I know.
We're here at the Smoky Mountain Harley-Davidson, and how they have it set up. This is the first day of the rally, so there's not gonna be that many people. But here they have these vendors here, so let's go around and check them out. My friend Carrie from Figurati Designs, but I think I see him pulling up, man. What's up, dude? They have a really nice setup. Here you can get some brisket, some barbecue and stuff. And then over there we got our table with our drinks, and we're gonna have some lunch again. I got the pulled pork with baked beans. She got some chicken over here.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings. We're gonna head out, but I figured I'd just show you what it looks like in here. It's pretty good size. Pretty good size. It's barely 1:31 in the afternoon, the same day we've done all of this. So now what's the next stop?
Freedom.
Freedom. She says
me,
that
off the seat.
because from
Off the
here
bike.
we're gonna go back to the hotel, pick up the F-250, and then from here on out I'm gonna ride my 153 build here
Alone.
from here from Knoxville all the way to Nashville is about 3 hours, and then ride it up to White House, Tennessee for the pre-party, for the Thundermax pre-party that we're gonna have there at White House. Hit that like button and come with us because we're going to a party. I've been on the road for, I don't know, going from Knoxville to Nashville. But man, look at these views. Well, of course the trees get on there, but this entire road here, what is this? I-40 west. Oh my goodness, man. It is just beautiful road, nice sweeping curves. Let me turn off my music here. I mean, it's just gorgeous, man. Look at the stuff around here, man. Just look at this view here. So all you people who live in Tennessee, I get it, or maybe you're just around this area. This is where it's at, but I mean, it's just gorgeous riding. We're kind of going uphill. It's curvy. I mean, if you look at my map there, you see where the route of the interstate here takes us around. This hill right here, a mountain, and we're kind of up the mountain because we can see down there. And man, I just really wanted to share this with you guys because it is gorgeous. It's being rained on right now. Holy smokes! We got big old raindrops. Holy smokes, dude! Ouch! Ouch! Dude! We are in Nashville.
I was like, I don't even know where we are. Long.
We got here a little later. It got dark, and we're tired as heck.
Long something. Where are we?
I don't know. Anyhow, this
sign says honky tonk.
this is where we're gonna eat for dinner. After dinner, we headed over to the Thunder Max pre-party, had a good time, hung out for a few, and then went home and called it a night. Stay tuned for the very next video. It's going to be a good one.